Did you know that the fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth reached a staggering 253 miles per hour? This incredible speed was clocked on Barrow Island, Australia, during Tropical Cyclone Olivia on April 10, 1996. Imagine the sheer force of nature. This gust blew away the previous record of 231 miles per hour set on Mount Washington in 1934. The measurement was taken by an automatic weather station and has been verified by the World Meteorological Organization. It's a wild reminder of how powerful storms can be and the extremes our planet can unleash.